Hi. So I'm going to demo a piece of software I've been working on for a little bit. And the idea is that you should be able to do just about everything from just one place. If you want to play a song, you shouldn't have to go through a whole bunch of folders to get to the song you want to play. If you want to play a movie, same idea. Same with opening a document. Why should you have to sift through a whole bunch of folders? You can sort your documents into folders just to be clean, but when you just want to open that one document, you should just be able to type in the name of that document and get it open. So, without further ado, let's open this up. Now, this program works best if it's either pinned to your taskbar or assigned to a shortcut key. I have this application assigned to a shortcut key. So, if I close it, I can open it up that easy, not clicking anything. Now, let's play a song. Whoops. Let's play, think I'll play some Linkin Park. So we have that. You can play some music from there. As well, you can play your videos from the same place. So let's play this Assassin's Creed Revelations trailer. And just so you guys, just for some further information, any music you play or any videos you try to play, it'll try to play music and videos that are physically on your computer, not off the internet. So as long as those files are physically on the computer, this program will be able to play them. It doesn't search online for playing any music or anything. So we can play media, as well we can open up documents. So let's see here, what can I open up here? Let's open up Book 1. And for good luck, let's open up another one. So we open up an Excel file, we open up a Notepad file, you can open up Word files, just about anything you can think of. And as well, we can directly search websites from here. So I want to search something on Google, so Google cheese. I spelled that with 3 E's. As well, you can do YouTube. So YouTube funny videos. And you can also launch websites from here. Open up applications directly. Open up program and pass the command line arguments. Yeah, so basically you can do just about anything you can think of with this. Eventually, the goal is to be able to do even more scheduling as well. Just being able to say schedule blah 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 for December or whatever. Just cool stuff like that. The goal is that you'll eventually be able to do just about anything with it, with this. So far, it's only being able to play music and video from one spot, as well as opening up documents, launching applications, and searching websites, and also navigating to a website just quickly. But hopefully it will be able to do much more than that in the future. So this is an alpha. There are some bugs. It may not always perform as you expect it to.